Receiver.
A little bit.
A little bit. Try the green one, Mars.
Hey! Ah, you got the sun.
No, I just
Hey! Put it!
Oh, we got it. You get paid to expect
For the community school, the other schools like in Wolverhampton and I can't remember the rest. They said
sun.
no, St Mary.
Was glad I looked after him. He was doing things, but he was doing things. Yeah. He's like 7 years. The lobby. You know what I mean? You got it and then it was like he got lost. What's that, brother?
Video.
Okay. 50 beer, give me that.
Gel hadi yürü hadi. Yeah, it's similar to him. Did you got time?
You guys won. Was it actually that together? Yeah. You guys won by 3.
Oh my god, who did that? Fucking balls.
Então falar contigo nas calmas.
Very nice. Good.
Good. Thank you.
هاك الساشي يحط لك بتاعه ودو كيجي شوفها في البوكس 10 pounds
10 pounds.
yeah please yeah ask for size as well yeah
Okay.
we do have all sizes
Nine and a half.
هنايا
Get a home.
और इधर से फिर
Berapa sehari tunggu?
Do you want this? Okay, 15 pound charge. Bye.
£3.
By different company. More share panel bit between you on. Debbie, Mama, or Munya, your morning.
Been a 5 with it, £4.
Huh?
I've been a 5 with it, it's £4.
Give me one spray and one whatever. How much do you do those for?
20?
Okay.
2010.
£10. Sorry, and this one.
Okay.
Sorry.
That one 2 for £2.50 on the shop.
आपकी रिश्ती रो मुझे तो देवी से क्या रिश्ती नहीं ना
फिल्म बना रहा है
हाँ
हाँ या
यार
Size your waist, man. When the jacket fit the trousers fit. Yeah. I've only got 5 minutes.
Unlimited and multiple spaces.
What are you doing?
Video.
Video, why?
Yeah, literally. I remember I had to be You spend money. You have just someone else on. You want the nails, you want hair, you want. Oh, they want to say just for the hair.
Yeah.
Because I don't need this before.
No.
I tried it last Saturday.
Sir.
Well, and I tried again and I finally booked
भाई कितने का लिया आपने?
ये अब तो बात नहीं सुनी आपने वो करना होगा
Questi maglietti qua ma sono stretti e piccoli.
Any discount?
You can cut it.
Especially if they're coming here.
What is it here which you use coming to work?
Yeah, yeah.
Big killing, yeah.
Okay.
That was my cousin, yeah.
You know what?
Cherry, how much is the cherry?
£7 kilo. Yeah. But it's better come in morning because it's gonna pull the food. Now it's less.
Okay.
Huh?
Yeah.
Now it's less.
Спасибо большое. Приятно познакомиться.
Иван, приходите, я вам скину наши группы.
Хорошо. Телефон у вас есть?
Да, да.
Спасибо.
Tomorrow.
know your geography, huh?
A little bit.
A little bit. Have you tried a green one, Mars?
I just had it.
Ah,